10 Best Quotes of Film Rebel Without a Cause 1955. Rebel Without a Cause. When people think of James Dean, they probably think first of the troubled teen from Rebel Without a Cause, nervous, volatile, soulful, a kid lost in a world that does not understand him. Made between his only other starring roles, in East of Eden and Giant, Rebel sums up the jangly, alienated image of Dean, but also happens to be one of the key films of the 1950s. Director Nicholas Ray takes a strikingly sympathetic look at the teenagers standing outside the white picket fence 50s dream of America, juvenile delinquent, that's what they called them then, Jim Stark, Dean, fast girl Judy, Natalie Wood, lost boy Plato, Sal Mineo, slick hot rodder Buzz, Corey Allen. Jim Stark, I don't know what to do anymore. Except maybe die. Jim Stark, if I had one day when I didn't have to be all confused and I didn't have to feel that I was ashamed of everything. If I felt that I belonged someplace. You know, Plato Crawford, do you think the end of the world will come at nighttime? Jim Stark, at dawn. You're tearing me apart. Jim Stark, James Dean, screams this iconic line at his parents, expressing the frustration and alienation he feels from their constant arguments. I want answers now. I'm not interested in what I'll understand 10 years from now. Jim highlights the urgency of his emotional struggles, which his parents fail to grasp. Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today. This philosophical quote, though not directly spoken in the film, is often associated with James Dean and reflects the reckless abandon of the characters. The one thing I hate most is being laughed at. Plato, Sal Mineo, reveals his deep vulnerability and fear of rejection. If a person can't feel safe in his own home, where can he feel safe? Judy, Natalie Wood, expresses a longing for stability and security amidst her dysfunctional family life. Jim Stark, you're tearing me apart. Jim Stark, I don't know what to do anymore. Except maybe die. Judy, he called me a dirty tramp. My own father. Plato, if only you could have been my dad. We could have done anything. Jim Stark, we are all involved. Judy, I love somebody, all the time. Jim Stark, I gotta do something right. Ray Fremick, you can't help it. You were born this way.